Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of May 24th, and we are going to be doing another Planner Society collection kit that my friend gave me a couple of months ago, and I am going to be doing kind of a floral theme again. And I'm going to specifically use a couple of different pieces. There's a vellum piece that came with the collection, and then this piece right here. It's kind of like a mustardy color, and I don't typically use this color, so I thought it would be kind of neat. I really like this little tag that came with the collection. It says Planner Girl, and it's got that silver foil, so I might try to bring in some silver foil into this. I really liked this die cut that came with the collection, so I think I have a plan for how I'm going to use that. So we're going to put that aside though and work on the vellum piece. So I went ahead and cut this out just to save some time. And basically what I did was I just kind of put this on here and traced around kind of where I wanted to cut it so that it would kind of fall over into the top portion. So I'm thinking about doing that, and then what I was thinking of doing is having this kind of in the top sections, but I don't know if I want it to go all the way down. I don't think I can go all the way down and still cover this side, so I think I'm just gonna have it, I kind of almost like it just like this with just the vellum. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut another piece. I need to kind of find a piece that I can use in the bottom section. What I think I'm going to do with the die cut, this is the packaging that came with the one of the, I think it's the stickers or something. I kind of want to put this on top of here, and then I think I'm going to put this little thing up here in the corner. So I definitely want to bring some of this paper in to match the tag. So that's kind of the plan for those. Let's go ahead and figure out what I'm doing with this. This is a really intricate, like, the pieces are kind of hard because it's kind of hard to find places to cut that kind of look like a natural, like, cutting line, I guess is kind of, I don't know how better to say that. Maybe I'll put it at the top instead of the bottom, because that's kind of what I did. I used the bottom edge to help with kind of figuring out where to put it. And then I basically just took a pencil and kind of traced around it. So let's line this up. It's kind of hard because I want some of it to be on the edge, but let's kind of do it right there. And then I'm literally just going to trace like a line kind of where I want the cut to be. I think I'm going to keep this flower right here. I'm literally just going to trace around. the flower. Maybe and then end it right here. Okay, so let's cut this line. And then I just take these, I just took these really tiny scissors, and I think I want to try to not, I'm thinking about potentially adding some of these pieces to other elements on the page. So I want to try to keep the paper as whole as possible while I cut around it. So I'm gonna just cut this really quick, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is the cutout, and I think I want to adjust it a little bit because I think I want to keep some of this floral in there, and that seems to be taking up a lot of space. So I think I'm just going to move it over a little bit. Just kind of mark where I want to cut it. Okay, so I like how that's looking. And if I have this at the top up here, I think what I'm going to do is cut a strip of this to be across the centerpiece. So let me get that cut and I'll come right back. Okay, so I got those pieces cut. Let's kind of put it together to see if I like how that looks. Yeah, I like that. I think I like the clean edge on these sides, so I think I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I think I'm just going to cut this clean off. I don't know. I kind of don't want to do that, but I like how that has like a, yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay, so there's those pieces. And then I've got this. And my thought is to maybe cut out like maybe cut out this flower. like put just like a little kind of like that. And maybe this one right here. Keep the stem, or do I cut the stem? Let's just cut all the way around. Do something like this over here. In this corner. Let's get all of this glued on. I'm just gonna use a glue stick. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this glued on. With the magic of editing, it will all be glued on. So I got everything glued down. So let's do sticker time. Okay, I feel like I am done. So let's put this aside, and I want to work on that journaling card for the middle. So I'm going to cut the top off of this. And then I am going to attempt to punch this. It's kind of definitely a harder cardboard, so I don't know if this will punch, but oh cool, it did. Yay. Okay, so I want to put this here, kind of hanging off the side. I think I'm going to just punch a hole in this. And I think I do want it popped off the page a little bit, and I want it to kind of stay in the place where I want it to be. So I'm just gonna take a little pop dot and stick it up there. Maybe put one down at the bottom too. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna add kind of like that floral little design. I think that's really pretty. I think I'm gonna add this to it. So I'm just going to pop that off the page as well. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it in the planner. There it is. All done. And then I'll show you last week's. I filled it out. Didn't add too much stickers to it. I don't think I actually added any stickers. So, and then I have this one. I am going on a vacation. I have vacation day on Friday. So excited. So it's 40 week for me, work week. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again next week. Bye for now.